more than welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Back being the operative word, okay? This is the reverse of my tapestry. In the previous video, I showed you how to do the waist knot method, so how to secure your work when starting it. And now, if we move over here, this is our little bit we did last time, and it's really quick, really short and simple. I'm going to show you how to finish it off nice and securely. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider giving us a like, thumbs up, all that good stuff, and even better, subscribe, because it really does help us out and it's free. There we go, we've done our tapestry. It could be a much bigger bit like this, but I always, if we're going across, then I'll do this method. If, like we discussed last time, it's vertical stitches like these ones, then same plies, okay? So all you're going to do here, I've finished. And then I'm going to push it through the back of my stitches. If you had a long line of stitches like this, then just put it through about 5 stitches. Okay, your needle doesn't need to be kind of buried in there. There we go. Pull through, nice and easy, no resistance. Make sure you've not pulled it too tight and are distorting the stitches. If you do, you can just fluff them back out. Now all I'm going to do now is cut as close as I can to it. Please, if it's for the sake of leaving a little bit, then please do that rather than cut your stitches. So there we go, that's all nice and secure. And also we secured the front as well in the last lesson. There we go. There we go.